Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well today, and thank you so much for deciding to watch my video. And today's video is from Boxycharm, and Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription for $21 a month. I do believe you do pay tax, and the shipping is free, and you receive 4 to 5 full-size products with the value of over $100 or $110 each month. You can do the month-to-month, 3, 6, and 12-month pre-play plans, and you do save a little bit of money. You get skincare, makeup, beauty tools, and, color cosmetics, as they call probably, which would be more like the glitters and so forth like that. They also offer a Boxyluxe, which is seasonal or quarterly, every March, June, September, and December. That is an additional $28.99 a quarter. So every March you would pay $49.99 because you still have to pay the Boxycharm $21. And in that you receive about 9 products or so with a value of over $250. And I have really never been disappointed in the Boxyluxe, and I've received a few of them. And I've been with Boxycharm, I think, since the summer. So this is the box, just arrived by FedEx moments ago. So the theme this month is Peace, Love, and Boxy. And then, and then on the other side, it tells you all the products, gives you a retail price, and I have version 6. And let's get right into it. So we need this as a reference. So this is an eye pencil, and this is from Bodyography, and I have Bali Bronze. Let's open this up. And this is a pencil, so you will have to sharpen it. And I'm gonna, well, that's very pretty. Goes all nice, no tugging on the skin. So there it is right there. I like that. So I will be keeping that. A lot of times with pencils, I don't keep them, but I like that color. So this eye pencil has an MSRP of $14. The next item is from Appeal Cosmetics, and this is their holographic lip gloss, and this has a value of $21. And this delivers an intense holographic shine. So let's, this has a safety seal on it. Yeah, this has a seal on it, so I'm not going to open that. I have a lot of glosses, and I'm not really sure. Yeah, no, I probably will keep that because that'll be nice to put on top of maybe some shades that, are not great for me, and it might make them a little bit better. So that's that, which is exciting to try. Ooh, the next item is from Artist Couture. And this is their Diamond Glow Powder, and this has a value of $27. And the shade I received is Purple Dream. And let's open this up and see what... And this is what that looks like. And I've seen some... So it does have... I'm not really sure... So, it does have like a top on it, but I'm not sure if you... how to get that out. I might have to play with that. Let's see if I can get any out. Yeah, that's got a top on it, so I will have to play with that and try to get that top off. I don't think I can do it right now. But that's nice. And that's what it... Purple Dream. I mean, I thought it was going to be purple, but it's not, so that's always a good thing. And then the next item, this is super, super exciting because I love brushes. And these are from Luxy, and this is the Summer Days 3-piece brush set with a value of $28. And then you get the Luxy, I guess 512 that is. Yeah, 512 small contouring brush to sculpt, define your cheekbones. The Luxy 245 small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base shadow and glitter. And then the Luxy 209 larger shader brush to pat on and blend out an eye look. So let's open these up. And let's see what these very pretty handles. So here's the, I guess they're numbered. So this is the small contouring. I don't know. Yeah, right there. And that's a, I just don't want to, that's a nice brush. Soft, but not too dense. But I love the handles. The ombre effect. And it has, it's still lightweight, but not so lightweight that it would just fly out of your hand. So that has a good feel. And then this one is the, can't even see it, large shader. This is what the bristles look like. Well, that's nice. I like that. And then this one is the small shader. I don't know if that's not going to focus. There we go. This would be good for smudging out under your eye for your, that would probably be better for that. So there's the 3 brushes right there. Very, very nice. Happy with that. I'm excited to see this. And this is the from Pure, and it's the Complexion Authority, and this is their Festival palette. And that's what that looks like. Very, very pretty packaging. Let's get this open, and this is what the back looks like. Oh. And in the box was a, I guess, a sample of their Get a Grip, and this is their Endurance eyeshadow primer, and that's probably, just trying to take the glare. I usually film it in the evening so I don't have to worry about the sunlight, but of course the sunlight is like blaring in today. And this is what the palette looks like. Ooh, has a mirror. Wow, that is pretty. And I'm going to swatch a few of these because I'm going to be keeping this one for myself. I don't know if I can, yes, get that off. And I always like to keep the covers on. So I am dying to, and there is a little, you can see that on my finger. And that is a little, I mean, no, that, so that's nice. Oh, very, very pretty. Let's try this one. This is Sunset. Oh, very pretty. So there it is. And then let's try the 24 Karat Magic, and this is very nice. They feel nice in the pan. Oh, look at that. Wow. Excuse me, definitely a festival look for sure. Wow, they are pigmented. They are nice. Now I just wanted to get these off my fingers before I continue. Okay, so that is the Boxyluxe for April of 2019. So we got the palette and the brushes and the holographic lip gloss and the diamond glow powder and then the eye pencil. So this is definitely, I think, a very good box. And from what I was seeing from a lot of people, they were saying it's about $130 value. So they promise anything over $100. I think it's $100. So you can never go wrong with that. And I'll just hold this here. If you guys would like to pause that and read any of the descriptions that they give for the products. So that is my video for today. And if you would be so kind as maybe to leave a comment and definitely give this video a thumbs up, it really helps, you know, the channel out with YouTube for recommending my videos. I'm still trying to get to the 500 subscriber mark, and we're close. I think as of this morning, I think we were 477 or 478. So we're getting there slowly but surely, and I'm okay with that. But doing that, commenting and giving the thumbs up, and obviously subscribing, that always will help also. But that definitely helps with the YouTube recommending the site, the page. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.